Okay, bring him towards me. Come this way.
Turn that way. Make him come. Good job.
All right, he's across your body now. Be careful. Wrong side. Can you stop right there? Stop. Go on the other side of the dog. That side. Yes. Now heel. And go. I want to hear you. I can't hear you. Heel. There you go. Now go this way. Heel. Good job.
I don't know. I think the dog's too dangerous. Maybe we should stop.
Don't let him pull you, Lachlan. Give him a little jerk.
Pull the leash. Pull the leash.
Give him a check.
Tell him to heel.
Tell him sit.
Go to the right. Go this way. Look at me. Look at me. That way. Go. Heel. I like the strut in his stomach.